There are two main methods to install Jupyter Notebook on Mac, using Anaconda or pip. We'll cover both methods in the following sections. 1. Installing Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda on Mac. The process of installing Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda on Mac is very similar to the Windows installation. Step 1. Download Anaconda. Visit the Anaconda distribution page and download the latest version for macOS. Step 2. Run the Anaconda installer. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the default settings to complete the installation. Step 3. Launch Jupyter Notebook. Open the Anaconda navigator from your Applications folder. Click on the Jupyter Notebook icon to launch the application. Before we talk about how to pip to install Jupyter Notebook on Mac, please kindly subscribe and like so that we build a unique community of experts together. Thank you. 2. Jupyter Notebook. Install using pip on Mac. The process of installing Jupyter Notebook using pip on Mac is similar to the Windows installation. Step 1. Install Python. Download and install the latest version of Python from the official website, https://python.org/downloads/. Step 2. Install Jupyter Notebook. Open the terminal and run the following command to install Jupyter Notebook. pip3 install Jupyter. Step 3. Launch Jupyter Notebook. Type the following command in the terminal to launch Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook. I hope this guide will be helpful. In our next episode, we will dive into how you can start using Jupyter Notebook after you have installed it and equally discuss different situations where Jupyter Notebook can be used and applied. Please do well to subscribe and share because we can only do this together as a community of experts.